Hello everybody, today is 17th December. We've got the Inside Out camera. Here it is, see it? And all the characters on the back from the movie. And the Playdoh camera. There's no movie for it. Now we're going to open the Inside Out one.
Hi, this is Jazmyn. Welcome to my channel.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to down there. Okay, down, got 7 coming up. Okay. 8 days. Okay, 6 days. This is 8 days. And we're still going with the right number. Okay, looks like. I don't know what it is. Oh, what's the button? It looks like an elf. Not angel, it looks like an elf. There it is. The elf is walking to his factory and he got stuck in it. Now we're going to open number 17 from the Playdoh calendar. And here it is. Now we're going to open it. Okay. Ooh, a star. We got a star. And here it is. See it? There. So there. And bye everyone. I'll see you soon.